Hi friends, in this session I am going to explain about filters in Power BI visualization. This is one of important concept in Power BI reporting. If you are watching first time a video, please subscribe and like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I am providing complete training of Power BI from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario based monthly updates, much more updated in this channel. If you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely will get the job and also easier to survive in real-time environment. So in this video, we'll deep dive about filters in Power BI visualization. Okay. In this video, I am covering what is filters in Power BI visualization and what are the different types of filters available in visualization. So there are three types of filters available in visualization. This is very important for interview purpose and very important to understand to implement the dashboards or reports. Okay, visual level filters and page level filters and report level filters. Okay, let me explain one by one. Don't worry, I will explain with very simple techniques. Please listen carefully, don't skip the video. Okay, let me connect to my SQL server. Let me connect to my Power BI desktop to SQL server. Okay, this is my SQL server name. If anybody watching first time a video, please check class number 3 and 4. Why? Because in class number 3 and 4, I clearly explain how to download AdventureWorks Data Warehouse 2017 and Northwind databases. If you see and if you install these databases, you will get familiar with the real world data. Okay. Why? Because real world data also look like this only. Okay. Now I am taking it, dim customer, dim geography, and I am taking fact tables. Fact tables is nothing but I am taking one fact table. At least one fact table is enough. Now let me click on load. Don't worry, it won't take much time. Tables will be loaded. Depends on the memory of the size of the tables. And all tables will be loaded into the Power BI desktop in memory. Okay. So while loading tables, automatically it will detect the relationship and filter the data also. Now my tables are loaded already. Now let me create some visuals and we'll explain that. Okay. Now I want to create one visual like year wise sales. Okay. Calendar year from the dim date. Okay. And sales amount from the fact internet sales. Now one visual is ready. Let me drag this. Let me make it big. Okay. So I want this calendar year in x-axis. Exactly. You have to move exactly here. Okay. Now you can see year wise sales. So I want to take new visual. That's the reason why I'm clicking on empty space, and I want here country wise sales. I'm taking English country region name from dim geography and sales amount from the fact internet sales. Let me convert to table visual. Let me drag this here. So fine. Let me format it for better display. I want to change the style first of all. I want to go for bold header, flashy rows. That's fine for me. Next, column headers. Text I want to increase. Okay. And values. I want to change the text size here also. This is fine for me. Okay. Let me drag this. Now I have only two visuals. I want to take one more visual. I want to take now We'll take total sales amount in the card. Let me convert to card. Just make it short. Okay, fine. Now let me explain one by one. Visual level filters. Visual level filter will work only on particular visual. That means if you put any filter on that particular visual, that will be work only on that particular visual. By default in Power BI, if you take any slicer, it will work on the page level. Okay, don't worry, don't confuse. I will clear all doubts in this video. Okay, now if you want to put, if you observe here, see here, filters on this visual. If you select this visual, then only this option will enable. If you click here, empty space, now see filters on this page, on all pages. Filters on all pages is nothing but report level filters. Okay, now I want to apply filters only this table visual. I want to filter based on the English country, sorry, based on the calendar year. Okay, now select that visual and this calendar year field need to add here. Okay, here filtering options is there. I want to go for basic filtering. Basic filtering, if I select 2011, only changes are applying in this particular visual. That means in this particular visual only data is filtering. Okay, you select one more thing, just unselect it. 2012, 2013, see here, only in this visual we can able to see the changes. This is nothing but visual level filter. Okay, now let's close this. Now I want to explain page level filter. Page level filter is nothing but filters will work in this page. Okay, how many, it doesn't matter how many visuals in this page. Okay, now I want to filter based on calendar year. Okay, this calendar year we need to drag into the filters on this page. Now basic filtering, select 2011, see here all visuals are affected. That means all visuals are in interaction. Filtering data is filtering in the all visuals. This is nothing but page level filters. Okay, so okay. Suppose you want to take one more thing. So if you have one more page, so nothing but see here report level filters. Report level filters is nothing but how many pages you have in the report, it doesn't matter. You want to filter on the all pages, you can filter, just put the filter whatever you want, then you can drag it. Okay, no worries. Okay, I will take here city from the name geography, city wise sales amount I am taking. Okay, so convert to table visual. So this is the, so quickly change the format it. I just want to change the style only, I don't want to waste time. Bold header and flashy rows. Okay, now we'll take something freight amount or something here, convert to card. Okay, this is the total freight amount. Okay, okay, now I want to put the filters report level. So I am taking once again calendar year as report level filter. Okay, just drag here to filters on these pages. Just come here, basic filtering, just select the 2013 year, all, see here all visuals are affected. Come here, see here in 2014 only it is Now come here, unselect it. See here, data is filtering. Select 2014. Only 2014 year data is filtering here also. Here city wise filtered. Here also filter. We can use by using this slicer also, but that is different scenario. This is different scenario we'll use. Okay, depends on the requirement. We'll use the page level and visual level and report level filter based on the requirement we'll use. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If anybody wants special training, you can directly email to this email, or you can directly call to this mobile number. Okay, my WhatsApp number also same number, you can ping also. Okay, thank you for watching my video.